Welcome back to Cam Shaft's Garage, and today, what are we doing?
Fuel sending unit on this is leaking. 64 Ford Galaxie. Was at a car show last weekend, just dripping gas all in the parking lot there. So we got to get her changed out, lickety split. And it didn't leak out all the gas, so I still got a full tank. Cam, what do you say?
Cue the intro. Done.
We are under the car now, Cam?
Yeah.
Cam, I need, can you get me the little pair of channel locks? I'm hoping we can slide this right off and slip this out without lowering the tank. That's what I'm hoping for. Not counting on it, but I'm being hopeful. See that? I don't know if y'all can see that right there, but that is just loosey-goosey.
I found a mini pair of choppers.
That's what I need, Cam. That's what I need. I thought originally maybe the hose had a crack or something in it. Well, this pretty soft, so. Nope. Don't want no gas in my armpit, if possible. Or in my eyeball. That would be uncool. Okay. Which way is this joker turn to come loose? Okay. Can you give me a rag? Yes, I will. But we might have a siphon on some gas here.
Chicken wants to help.
Yeah, I don't think I wants to drink the gas. Cam, you know where the siphoning hose is in the gas jug?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the hose in the gas jug?
We're back. We ain't drained enough gas out.
What? Wet.
Yeah, it ain't dripping. Yeah, that's running all over me.
I don't think it does.
It's just barely running in here. That's why.
That's because it's running all over my shoulder.
Come here.
Yeah.
What do you need?
Well, I was going to get out for a second, so all right. Let me get back into position. I'm trying as hard as I can not to lay in this gas. Okay.
I thought you were under the car.
Everybody?
Yeah, you wanted to share when I walked up, and I was like, "You under the car?"
I can't get out.
All right. Well, we got chickens wandering around. I don't know if you can see them in the video or not. Lorraine and Shirley, I don't know what they're doing. Or Laverne and Shirley. What do you need? Don't be messing with that. That's gas. You ain't gonna like it. Okie dokie. That seems like a way smaller gasket than originally. Let's take a look, see. Let's see, she's gonna go in there like that. I'll be honest with you, I don't like that new gasket. And the old gasket is definitely dry rotted. That's picking up gas. It seemed like that just spun in there too easy. Let's give her a little tap. Oh no, that is loose. You see the difference in my gaskets here? That one is that way and this one is flat. It's not making sense to me.
What are you eating, son?
So I'll tell you what we're going to do.
Who? Hibachi. Chicken and rice.
I don't know if this is right or wrong, but we're going to put both of these gaskets on it. And at least see what it does. I'm just glad we didn't take the tank out. That don't need to go inside the tank. Don't believe that's going to work. Well, that's how it's supposed to be. That's what I do with the ring. That's the old one. Where'd I put the new one?
Mama,
It feels a little tighter, but it's still looser than I'd like it to be. All we can do is try it. Okay. That needs to be put on before. So the whole process you got to follow, I guess. Okay. Oh, now my gasket ain't on. Let's tighten this out. It's pinching my finger. Let's tighten our gas line back up and see what we got. All right, we got the sending unit changed. Ain't leaking no more gas. We got boogers.
No.
As you can tell, I've had to disregard my shirt because it's covered in gas. It was lighting me up.
Alright.
I mean, I was burning.
Why'd you eat gas for a snack?
I feel like this whole arm over here is probably bright red.
What if I slap it?
I might slap you in the face.
That guy almost wiped out over there.
Yeah, the Migos next door, they over there, they just got them a new four-wheeler. They over there tearing it up on it.
I think they had to get payback from us riding our four-wheelers too much.
Oh yeah, we had to show them what the deal is eventually.
Maybe I'll go flying in their yard just like I did in our yard.
Hey, you probably don't want to do that. But anyway, another job completed. So that's going to do it for me and Cam in this one. What do you like to say?
Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, even the ones you don't like.
Even the ones you don't like.
And set mice in your enemy's cars so they chew up their wires.
That's terrible. That's all the way terrible. All right, that's going to do it for me and Cam. We'll see you next week.